Hey everyone, so this video shows how can we access array elements in Django templates. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, let me explain you the basic code which I am using in this project. So let me show you my views.py file. So for this video, we can consider a function home which is displayed here, and inside home I am passing a array by the name AR into the context in the home.html. Let me show you home.html. Okay, so this is my home.html. It's having some previous data, but we can ignore that and just start implementing the main topic for this video. All right, so we want to access array which we just uh, gave in our content by the name AR inside the Django template. So the first method for that is that we can iterate through the array through this code. So for item in my array, in our case it's AR, we can display the item. So let's try and test this code, like what is this displaying. Let me just paste it over here. All right, so we have to change my array to AR because we are passing AR. Okay, so let me save that and check what is happening in the website. Let's refresh it. As you can see, we have accessed all the elements inside our array, which is 1 to 5. So what is this command doing is that we are accessing all the elements inside our array. Let's now test another method. Okay, so this method can be used to access specific indices inside our array. Let me show you manually. Let's remove this piece of code and let me write. We are having the array A and we want to access the 0th element, which is 1. So if I write like this inside my HTML file and then refresh the page, you can see I have displayed 1. And now let's suppose I want to display the second element, which is 0, 1, 2, and which means 3. So I think we should see 3 over here. Yes, we are able to see 3. Now let's test another method. We can also use the with template tag to iterate through the array. So let's test it. Let me first copy it and paste it inside my code. Yeah, over here. So what we are doing is that we are checking if the array element is the 0th element, that is 1, then only we are displaying that. So we will display only 1 over here, and if I refresh the page, all right, I think there is some issue. Yes, I forgot to change the array name. It should be AR here, which I gave in my content. So now let's refresh the page, and as you can see we are displaying 1. Now suppose I change the 0 to 2, so I guess this should be displayed 3 over here. Yes, 3 is displaying over here. Now let's test the last method, which is utilizing the for loop with conditions. So let me first copy it and paste it in my code, and then I can explain it. Okay, so in this loop what we are actually doing is that we are iterating inside the array, which is AR, and we are checking if the element is double equals is the 0th element, like if the counter is the 0th element, then only we are displaying the item. So I think for this code also we will be displaying 1. Yes, we are displaying 1. Now let's try to display 2 if we want. Let me show you the array. Like this is the array. So if you want to display 2, so it is at the 1th index. So for displaying 2, we can change this 0 to 1, and now save the file, and now we should get 2 over here. Yes, so we are getting 2 over here, and by this method we are successfully able to access array elements inside our templates. So this marks the end of the video. Thanks for watching.